I wanted y'all to know how very proud we are that you've gotten to this point. We believe in you, and that's how important today is, that you commit yourself to go to college, that you commit yourself that you want something better for your life.
I just want to congratulate you on your accomplishments and everything that you've done, and to congratulate you for not giving up on it, on yourselves primarily.
Super proud of all the efforts that you all have been making, despite all the challenges that we have been going through in this pandemic. You all have continued to do the things that you needed to do to ensure that you're able to take advantage of those opportunities.
Not many have the support from their parents, their families. We have the support here from school. And thank you so much.